maybe put this up on the screen. This is a headline from our friends over at CNBC on a new study that came out. JP Morgan Chase put this together, and they linked higher restaurant spending. They say higher restaurant spending appears to be linked to a faster spread of the coronavirus. Basically, they're looking at the dining reservation data, in-person, indoor dining, and saying the states where this has been much more common, much more frequent, these are the states that seem to be having a little bit more of an issue here. I'm curious what you make of that link. Is that telling us something here?
Well, what it's telling us is that people are going to restaurants and they're sitting in places where they are going to be exposed to others, because you're not going to be eating with your mask on, and you're going to be likely to get infected if there's somebody near you that has coronavirus. So what this data is just telling us is that if people are out and about and life starts to go back to normal, we're going to see a rise in cases. It's pretty straightforward.
I guess, though, the other question I'm curious about there, that it's indoor. It's an indoor, closed space, number of people there. Is there a sort of a flip side to that where outdoor is significantly safer, and there's an opportunity there to gear some of the sort of reopening towards getting people outside, getting them to outdoor settings, finding ways to make, creative ways maybe to find outdoor spaces and make them available to people, as opposed to indoor spaces like a restaurant?
Well, the bottom line, Steve, is that we just really don't know if people being outdoors in closed or in close to each other is also going to be a problem. We've seen spikes because of Memorial Day, of people getting out and about. We are likely seeing some of these spikes due to protests where people are close to each other. So really, there's no activity that we're not going to see risk involved. Going to a restaurant, if you're outdoors and there's still a lot of people around, the fact of the matter is the virus still has opportunity to spread. And that's what we're seeing here, is we're seeing wherever, no matter where you are, if you're close to somebody else, if you're not able to observe social distancing, and if you're not wearing masks, you're going to see increases in cases. That's exactly what is driving all of these spikes everywhere in the country. And certainly if you're indoors, it's definitely worse.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.